She farted then?
She just coughed and farted.
Coughed and- oh, queef. Oh dear. Bella, you're meant to be a lady. Good girl. That was funny. Electricity. That's funny.
She's done a really big foot. You know when you was playing your song earlier when I was filming her?
Yeah.
She's done a really big foot.
Did she? She's a bit gassy.
Listening to the music and she liked it. Like, it was just like her lip was going. She really liked the music.
Oh, she liked the music I was playing, did she?
Yeah, Bella likes music.
Oh, that's good. Electricity. It's beautiful. Days like this, Bubs. Days like this. I said days like these. Days like these. Yeah, it's great. They're just amazing, aren't they?
Today is a bee, that's all I heard.
Right, here we go. Big jump. Whoa. And another one. What? Do you want them up one?
No,
All right.
like, you know that hop, so you've got this big long thingy,
Yeah,
you've got the pole next to it,
yeah,
like that. Would you put that in front of it?
yeah, of course I can. Big long thing needs to stand. Post that. Oi.
I said in front of it.
That's in front, you're coming this way. Leave the blue one, okay. Aye, aye, Captain. Whoa! She thinks it's a jump. Do you know why? Because it's blue. Oh, nice, Mia. Check you out.
Good lady.
I think I'm doing this right. Oh, shit. Two. Okay, I think. Okie dokie. Nice. Oh. Make them a bit wider? Oh, okay.
Okay, Bella. Something sweet in there.
She loves it, doesn't she?